by the way, yeah, exactly. Welcome back. Oh.
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. I'm out in my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with the set. Hey, hey, hey.
Excuse me? Huh? Then? Yes, that's right. All right, everyone. This is who I've been talking to you about. He'll be joining us in Student Council starting today.
Ah, so he's the one. I'm Hidetoshi Odagira. I supervise the disciplinary committee.
I'm Chihiro Fushimi, the treasurer. I'm a first year, and, I'm still learning the ropes, so please be patient with me.
You must be quite talented to be handpicked by the president herself. I look forward to working with you.
I am thou. Thou shalt have our blessing when thou... It's getting late. Introductions will be enough for today. What we want from you is to assist us as necessary. From now on, you have my permission to enter the student council room whenever you wish. Your time is your own after school, but try to remember the student council every now and then. We meet on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but we don't meet on days before tests. Thanks for coming today. Oh, welcome back.
what's up? Yeah. Man, I'm so sick of this, dude. Life? Dude, you watch too much reality TV. But I guess, yeah, you could say I'm sick of life. I mean, I get up, go to school, sit through lame-ass lectures, eat, watch TV, and go to bed. Okay, that settles it. I'm gonna get myself a girlfriend. Right now. What a cool thing to say. Soon, I'll have a girlfriend and be just as cool as you. All right, think I'm gonna pull the trigger on my secret plan. I told you about the teacher, right? I'm gonna ask her out and get her to fall in love with me. Her name is Miss Kano. You heard of her? She teaches third-year ethics. We get along pretty well. She's not mainstream beautiful, but she's really pretty. She's got these cute little eyes, a sexy body. Don't tell anyone about this, okay? You're the only one who knows. Dude, I'm getting so psyched! Let's cook up a plan of attack.
Welcome back.
Yes.
So dance.
Oh?
If you wanna go ahead, free to do whatever. I'm chilling on my bed. I'm out in my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with the set. Hey, 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 feeling
That
the
was
fire,
pretty good.
desire every day, we inspire, but never expires. But we gon' chill today. Let me rock the world tomorrow. You know.
Thanks for all your hard work today.
Well then, please excuse me.
Oh, can I borrow you for a moment? I'd like to hear your opinion on something. It's nothing serious, but some students think the school uniform should be abolished, and they're gathering supporters. Yes, because it is nonsense. They think freedom is a life without rules. It's ridiculous, plain and simple. Without rules, the whole system will collapse. They're mistaking selfishness for freedom. Sorry, overreacted a bit there. I hate people with no common sense. I have very little desire to talk to them. And don't take that the wrong way. I just want you to understand where I'm coming from. Why don't you head on home? I'll lock up here when I'm finished. Get home safely.
Oh, it's you. Welcome back.
Yeah.
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. Minding my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with the set. Hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire. Every day we inspire, but never expires. But we gon' chip.
Go.
And the light men are crossing over long shadows, wherein they'll fly hose for intimacy. Want to be close. To be close.
You're still at it?
Yes, you never know when an enemy might appear.
But I thought you couldn't scan outside of Tartarus.
To be honest, I am indeed lacking in that area. Maybe this is the best Penthesilea can do in terms of data gathering. Though I must say, the power of Persona seems to be much more diverse than I once thought. We even have someone who can switch personas in the midst of battle. There's something special about his ability. And it hasn't even been that long since his awakening.
Yeah, I was surprised too. But in the end, it's up to him whether or not he reaches his full potential.
It's a shadow.
What? You actually found one?
Wait, something's not right. The reading is too big. I've never detected an enemy of this size.
Wait. Is it like that huge one from last month?
I think so.
Oh, well then. This is gonna be fun. I'll wake up the others.
We're here.
Where is it? I'll rip it a new one.
We've detected a shadow outside of Tartarus. We don't know for sure, but we think it's another big one like we saw last month. We must defeat any we find out there as quickly as possible. People may not be aware of the Dark Hour's existence, but if the city is destroyed during that time, inconsistencies will be left behind.
In other words, we need to kick some ass, right? Well, count me in.
Junpei.
Akihiko, you stay here and wait for the chairman.
What? Are you kidding? I'm going.
You still need time to recover. Like this, you'd only get in the way.
What you say?
They'll fare better than you in your current state. Have faith in them, Akihiko. They've already seen battle firsthand.
Damn it.
Relax. I've got it covered.
Guess I don't have a choice. You're in charge.
Him again?
Can you do it?
Good. We're counting on you.
At this rate, you'll be stuck playing leader forever. I mean, not like I care.
You should let the three of them go first. You need to get ready, right?
Yes. Let's rendezvous in front of the station.
Got it. All right, let's go. Where is she?
She'll be here soon.
There's a full moon tonight. Looks even creepier during the dark hour.
Huh? What the?
Sorry to keep you waiting. Listen carefully. Tonight, I'll be providing support from here. Everything else is the same. The Shadow is currently located on a monorail not far from the station. To get there, you'll have to walk on the tracks.
Are you serious? Isn't that dangerous?
Not to worry. Electronic equipment is rendered inoperable during the dark hour, including trains.
But your bike?
This was specially made to handle it. Now, if circumstances change, I'll notify you immediately. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
Yeah! Let's do this! Holy hell, we're real high up! I think I'm gonna hurl.
What even?
There should be a monorail about 200 meters ahead from where you are now. Get there as quickly as you can. We don't want any passengers to get hurt.
Hell yeah!
Jeez. Hey! This is it, right?
Can you all hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. We just got here, but I don't see anything out of the ordinary.
The readings are definitely coming from that monorail. Proceed with caution and stay together.
Got it.
My persona's just itching for a fight.
Well then, let's head on in. Don't you dare look up.
Yeah, I won't. But don't blame me if I happen to catch a glimpse.
Say, why don't we dig Junpei a nice grave?
So, that's, a person, right? Like a passenger? They've been transmogged. Creepy. But these guys aren't gonna remember a thing of all this, yeah? Probably better that way.
Huh?
Damn! It won't open!
What's wrong? What happened?
It looks like we're trapped inside.
It must be the shadow. It knows you're there. Be ready for anything. Stay on full alert.
Roger.
So, it's too quiet here. Huh? Damn. I was all ready to go and everything.
This place is so creepy.
There it is! Hey! Get back here!
Wait! The enemy is acting strangely. I have a bad feeling about this.
Don't go after it, we're gonna lose it!
You're in command right now. What do you think of the situation? But why did it flee after revealing itself? I can't make sense of it. Just be careful.
We can beat that thing, no problem! Hell, I'll do it myself!
Junpei, wait!
Watch out! Behind you!
Come!
Pull the trigger.
Takeba, finish the enemy!
I'll go with. Chimera!
You won! Now let's move on.
This is just what the enemy wants.
There's not much we can do about it now. You have to go after him or you'll be picked off one by one.
Damn it, Junpei, what are you thinking?
From what I can tell, he's only a few cars ahead.
Okay, we'll catch up to... Oh, get out of our way!
Unicorn!
Good. That's one less to worry about. All right. The enemy's down. Nicely done. Enemy eliminated.
All right. This should end it. You little...
You won. Now let's move on.
What's up with Junpei? Did something happen? Yeah. Junpei, I guess we... There he is! Oh no, he's surrounded by enemies! We gotta help him, quick! Junpei!
I've got it under control!
Let's go!
What to do?
Come!
All right. The enemy's down.
I'll go with.
Angel!
All right, the enemy's down.
Never mind. I'll go with
Good. That's one less to worry about. Yuri's taken one down. All right, you won. Great work out there. See? It looks like the entire monorail is under the Shadow's control.
What? Is that really okay?
This doesn't look good.
If we don't stop it, it's going to crash into the next train.
Crash? Hey, what are we gonna do?
Calm down and listen. I detect a powerful reading in the front car. That must be our target. You'll have to defeat that to stop the runaway train.
Crap! What kind of messed up ride is this?
Talk about finish the enemy.
Can't stop me now. Hurry!
The enemy's down. Good hit.
Leave it to you.
I'll go with
Come!
Now. You won. Now let's move on. There's no time. Run!
What's happening? No way! Is the train getting faster?
Your primary target is up ahead. Are you ready?
There it is! The hell is this? That's our target?
It has to be. There's nowhere else to go. Take the other train. Hurry!
Hurry? What are we even supposed to do here?
I've never seen one this big before, but there's no time. We have to end this now!
Angel!
I have to do this.
What's the plan?
what to do.
In this situation, there's
Thanks, dudes! Now's my chance!
Thanks.
have to do this. Pull the trigger. Come forth, Persona!
I'll give them hell.
It called in reinforcements. Just what we needed.
What to do?
In this situation, yo!
What's the plan? Suck on that! Angel!
Pull the trigger. Focus.
What's next? Timing!
I'll go with.
What's next? Come forth, Persona!
Lame out! I'll give them hell. Timing!
What to do?
Chimera!
Pull the trigger. Help me!
Thanks, dudes! Can't stop now! Suck on that!
The monorail is going even faster now. You're running out of time.
Oh, man! Come here!
Now's the time. Persona!
What's the plan? Timing! Did we make it in time? Hey, wait! Why are we still moving?
We're going too fast! We need to put on the brakes or...
What are you waiting for? You're coming up on the next train fast.
Damn it! I don't know how to stop this thing! Did we stop?
I think so.
Do you read me? Is everyone all right?
Yeah. We're okay. My knees are shaking.
Dude, I'm like drenched in sweat.
It sounds like you're safe. I'm sorry I couldn't do more to help on my end. I don't detect any more shadows. Well done. You can come on back now.
Wait, how did you know which one was the brake? You saved me again. Thanks.
You know what? Never mind. Anyone want to grab a bite to eat on the way? I'm freaking starving.
Feels like hose, intimacy,
It's me.
Reporting in from the scene. We've just finished up over here. The monorail did not sustain any noticeable damage.
A job well done, Kirijo-kun. When I heard they hijacked a monorail, I feared the worst. Excellent work taking care of that. Now I don't have to worry about tomorrow's headlines.
The team did a great job. They've learned a lot in a surprisingly short time.
But what was up with the shadows? They'd never done something like hijacking a train before. This is getting out of hand.
I'll be looking into the matter.
Does this mean it's begun?
Let's not jump to any conclusions. For now, we should study their behavior for patterns or clues. We can't afford to keep waiting for them to make the first move.
If only I had more power, things wouldn't be so difficult for everyone.
Don't be so hard on yourself. You're doing fine. More importantly, do you have anything to drink, Sanada-kun?
Huh? Why do you look so tired, Ikutsuki-san? Wait. Don't tell me that bicycle outside is yours.
Boy, am I going to be sore tomorrow.
Hey, so...
So dance.
Thanks.
If you wanna go ahead, free to do whatever. I'm chilling on my bed. I'm on
About
my biz,
that.
So mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with
Good
it.
job.
Hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire. Every day we inspire, but never expires. But we gon' chill today.
Is that-
Let me rock the world tomorrow, you know.
Elizabeth speaking. I would appreciate it if you could come to the Velvet Room. There is a matter I would like to discuss with you. Goodbye now.
So dance, if you wanna go ahead, free to do whatever.
I apologize for asking you to come at such short notice. Truth be told, I'd like to ask you a favor. I've been searching for someone of exceptional ability. So if you have the time, do you mind taking on several of my requests? On special occasions, I may require you to escort me on certain excursions. Of course, you will be aptly rewarded for completing the request. I look forward to your cooperation and hope to see you demonstrate your capability. Are you accepting a request?
It's been a good day, good night. It's gonna be a good day, good night.
Most excellent. Now, let's hear your report. Oh my, Oh my, you've already fulfilled the requirements.
Nothing comes between us. Dancing like ballerinas under the moonlight.
Oh my, Oh, yes. I will await a report of success. By all means, you must know. Oh my! I will await a report of success. I will await a report of success. Come to think of it.
Within the inner heart I bleed. Oh, you're stuck to me. I wanna hear the good and bad, the stories you had. As I drift across the sky, the overhead turns high. So good.
I've been waiting for you. Marvelous.